Today, let's introduce how the factory produces fermented tofu. The plump soybeans are selected and cleaned, then soaked for 7 hours. After crushing, the protein is fully extracted. The workers open the soaking tank connected to the conveyor belt, and the soaked soybeans are transported by the long conveyor belt to the grinding machine. Grinding begins. Several grinding machines work together to speed up the grinding process. The pure white soy milk is steadily and efficiently produced in large batches. The extracted soy milk is then sent to the fully automatic cooking machine. The machine evenly heats the soy milk to 100 degrees Celsius. The cooked soy milk is filtered, separating the soy milk from the soybean pulp, removing the soy fiber. This large barrel contains the filtered soy milk. Once the temperature cools slightly, the coagulating agent can be added. The worker slowly adds the dissolved coagulant into the barrel to ensure even mixing. They will stir in circles on the surface of the soy milk, which causes the soy milk at the bottom to move. After adding the coagulant, let it sit for a while, and the soy milk will turn into soft and tender tofu. Next, the production of fermented tofu is a bit different from regular tofu making. The formed tender tofu is crushed, poured into a mold with grids, and pressed into shape. Through pressing, excess soy milk is squeezed out of the tofu, causing the tofu curd to tightly bind together, becoming tofu with a fixed water content, and maintaining a certain level of elasticity and toughness. After pressing into shape, the tofu undergoes the crucial next step. The tofu blocks, cut into pieces, are soaked in a baking soda solution. The baking soda helps break down the protein in the tofu, making it easier to degrade. Finally, after drying the moisture, the tofu is packed into boxes, vacuum sealed, and shipped out.